This lady, a very dynamic personality in her own right, is a top musician, singer, entertainer. Would you put your hands together and welcome Auntie Violet Pahu.
Oh, here away. Hey, play my do. Hey, in my feel for the kahua. Mamu upon Mamu upon oh, Lord, oh, you know. Pony my boy, two pony ho. Iluna, ilalo, yo, yeah, have you ever tried? Have you ever tried it? Yakahiki hula. Yakahiki hula seems a little wacky, but it's not like the hula. A wiki-waka hula, won't you come try it? Won't you come try it? Wiki-waka hula, wiki-waka hula, show them how to wiggle. From here, Chattanooga, Chattanooga. Oh, shake over here, shake it over here. And way over there, and way over there. All around the island, do the hula hula. You'll be happy and gay. Hey, oh, here, away, oh, here, away. Hey, play manu, hey, play manu. And my feel for the kahua. Huli huli kahua, and huli my oh, mamu apono, mamu apono, mamu apono. Oh, oh, you know. Huli my oh, two party ho. Iluna, ilalo, yo, yeah, have you ever tried? Have you ever tried it? Yakahiki hula. Yakahiki hula seems a little wacky, but it's not like the hula. A wiki-waka hula, won't you come try it? Won't you come try it? A wiki-waka hula, wiki-waka hula, show them how to wiggle. From here to Chattanooga, Chattanooga. Oh, shake over here, shake it over here. And way over there, way over there. All around the island, do the hula hula. You'll be happy and gay. Hey, hip, hip, hooray. Fall in line and do the hula hula. You'll be happy and gay.
Auntie Violet Pahu.
An interesting juncture at this point is the invention of the steel guitar, or the acoustic guitar, which happened in about the 1880s when a young lad from a town called Laie, attending the Kamehameha schools, the school set aside by Princess Bernice Pauahi for the education of Hawaiian children, accidentally hit upon the idea of using a bar and running it over guitar strings, and out of that eventually evolved the steel guitar as we know it.
This vocal-like sound of sliding, which was developed here in Hawaii, was, quote, exported, unquote, to the mainland and was very popular, became very popular with country western groups. Of course, it underwent its own developments among country western musicians because we don't really have the pedal steel here that was developed on the mainland and then re-imported back to Hawaii. So that you have a lot of common links now between country western steel playing and Hawaiian steel playing. And many of the performers, like Billy Hugh Len, for example, can go back and forth, can play Hawaiian steel, Hawaiian style, and Hawaiian steel country western style, whatever the market desires.
On the steel guitar, undoubtedly, the best that Hawaii has right now, Billy Hugh Len.
Thank you so much, Billy.
By the 1940s, Hawaiian music was well established in the United States. Indeed, it was well established around the world because internationally, Hawaiian music was probably one of the most important ethnic musics around the world. Indeed, there were Japanese, German, Dutch, English, French, and Indonesian Hawaiian music bands who not only performed in their national circuits, nightclub circuits, but who also produced and sold Hawaiian music records. Hawaiian music took a decline after the Second World War and has not been able to recover its status ever since.
Aloha Nautati Genoa Kiawe. Aloha.
Aloha.
Well, it's nice to have you here to talk to us about a subject that is not easy to define. But what, in your impression, is Hawaiian music? Let's start with that very general statement.
Well, first of all, Hawaiian music is beautiful sounds.
Mm-hmm.
And if you understand the words of a song that people have sung for many years, you understand the meaning of the words, you can sing it with that inner feeling, and it just comes out, it just flows out so beautiful.
Mm-hmm. You say that the beautiful sounds of Hawaii stem from this art form that you call Hawaiian music. Now,
Right.
a lot of people have said that this particular art form is going out the window. It's like going the way of the dinosaur, becoming extinct. What do you think about that when people say that?
Well, when they say that, all I can say to them is that as long as I'm alive, Hawaiian music will still be alive.
That's wonderful.